An arc lamp requires 80 volt to function. If it is connected to 220 50 hertz, inductor needed for it to work is close to. Now this lamp is designed to operate at 10 ampere current and 80 volt direct voltage supply, but it is connected to some AC source of 220 volt. Now we want to find out the value of inductor that is to be connected so that the lamp functions properly. Now here in this case the initial condition says that the total power drawn by the lamp would be equal to 80 into 10, so it will be equal to 800 watt. Apart from that, the resistance of the bulb filament, it will be equal to V by I, so that is equal to 8 ohm. This is the sustainable current, this is a sustainable power. Beyond this, it is likely that current will exceed. If we supply the power more than this value, it will cause the current to exceed the normal value, and it will cause the filament to melt. So since it is connected to AC supply, we have to control that current such that the power is going to remain constant, whether it is DC or whether it is AC. So we connect inductor in series with this resistor, that is also a requirement of the problem. So it becomes LR AC circuit. Now since the requirement is that power should remain constant, we have to find out power in AC circuit, and that directly comes from formula Vrms Irms cos delta, where delta is the phase difference that exists between current and voltage, and it can be easily obtained from this impedance diagram. So impedance of such circuit Z, it is equal to under root of XL square plus R square, and cos delta we can simply view from this that it is it is equal to R by Z. Making use of that, we can write the power in that AC circuit Vrms. Instead of Irms, we can replace that Vrms by impedance. Instead of cos delta, we can replace it as R by modulus of Z again. So that gives V square Rms by Z square into R, and we know that impedance is equal to R square plus XL square under root. So squaring both sides, that is Z square will give us simply R square plus XL square. Now as such, we know that this power drawn by the AC circuit should be matching with that drawn by the DC circuit. Equating these two, we are going to get XL square plus R square is equal to V square Rms by power into R. Our purpose in the problem is to find out that what should be the value of inductance. So keeping up all the values that are available to us, we get this inductance after some calculation, of course, as 0.0654 Henry. So correct option in this case comes out to be option D.